Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about getting a Steam Mop to clean your hardwood floors, hold up, don't buy one before watching this video. In today's guide, we're breaking down everything you need to know about using Steam Mops on hardwood, what works, what doesn't, what to look for, and what to avoid to prevent damage. We'll cover key features, safety tips, and the best alternatives so you can make the right choice for your floors. Let's dive in and save your hardwood from costly mistakes. On number 1 is the PerSteam Scrubmaster Steam Mop is designed for deep, chemical-free floor cleaning using the power of hot steam. It features dual rotating scrubbing heads that help loosen stubborn dirt and stains more effectively than standard flat steam mops. The built-in LED headlights make it easier to see dust and debris in darker areas like corners or under furniture. With adjustable steam control, users can safely clean different sealed floor types such as tile, laminate, vinyl, and hardwood. The anti-slip swivel head improves maneuverability around furniture, while the upright lock and cable holder make storage simple. In real-life use, the mop heats quickly, and the rotating pads reduce the effort needed to scrub tough spots. Compared with basic steam mops, it offers stronger cleaning performance due to the rotating heads, though it remains corded. Overall, it provides good value for households that want effective steam cleaning without using chemicals. Pros: dual rotating scrub heads for better stain removal, LED headlights for improved visibility, adjustable steam for multiple surfaces. Cons: cord limits movement range, water tank may need frequent refilling for large areas, slightly heavier than basic steam mops. On number 2 is the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop S8001 is an all-in-one hard floor cleaner designed to scrub and sanitize floors using powerful steam. It features rotating dirt grip scrub pads that help break down stubborn dirt while reducing the need for manual scrubbing. The mop includes LED headlights to reveal hidden dust and debris under furniture or in dark corners. With 3 adjustable steam levels, it can clean different sealed surfaces like tile, laminate, vinyl, and hardwood floors. The XL water tank allows longer cleaning sessions before refilling, while swivel steering improves maneuverability around furniture. In real-life use, the rotating pads and steam combination make it effective for removing dried stains and everyday messes. Compared with basic steam mops, it offers stronger scrubbing power and better visibility during cleaning. Overall, it provides good performance and convenience for households that want deep cleaning without chemicals. Pros: rotating scrub pads for stronger cleaning, LED headlights for better visibility, adjustable steam modes with large tank. Cons: corded design limits movement, slightly heavier than simple mops, does not include vacuum functionality. On number 3 is the PerSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop ThermaPro is a versatile floor steamer designed to clean and sanitize multiple surfaces using only hot steam, making it a good option for chemical-free home cleaning. It heats up in about 30 seconds and can be used on tile, hardwood, laminate, and carpets with the included accessories. The standout feature is its detachable handheld steam cleaner, allowing users to clean grout, upholstery, clothes, windows, and kitchen surfaces with different attachments. The mop includes several tools such as brushes, angled nozzles, a squeegee, and microfiber pads, giving it true 10-in-1 functionality for whole home cleaning. With a lightweight design and swivel mop head, it is easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. In everyday use, the steam helps loosen dirt and sanitize surfaces without detergents, making it suitable for homes with pets or children. Compared with basic steam mops that only clean floors, this model stands out because it converts into a handheld cleaner for many tasks. Overall, it offers strong versatility and good value for users wanting an affordable multi-purpose steam cleaner. Pros: multifunctional 10-in-1 attachments, fast 30-second heat-up, chemical-free cleaning. Cons: small water tank may require refilling for large areas. Attachments can wear with heavy use, corded design limits mobility. On number 4 is the Bissell Spinwave Smart Steam 3897A is an all-in-one electric steam mop designed to scrub and sanitize hard floors efficiently. It features dual rotating scrub pads that lift stubborn dirt and stains, reducing the effort needed compared with manual mopping. LED headlights make it easy to see hidden dust and debris under furniture, while swivel steering improves maneuverability around obstacles. The mop includes adjustable steam settings and an XL removable water tank, allowing longer cleaning sessions and safe use on different sealed hard floors. Steam heats up quickly in about 20 seconds and helps sanitize surfaces by killing germs and bacteria without harsh chemicals. Compared with basic steam mops, the rotating pads provide stronger scrubbing power, though it is slightly heavier and corded. Overall, it is ideal for homes needing deep, chemical-free cleaning with added convenience. Pros: rotating scrub pads for stronger cleaning, LED headlights for better visibility, adjustable steam with large tank. Cons: cord limits mobility, heavier than basic mops, only for sealed hard floors. On number 5 is the Bissell Crosswave Hydro Steam Steam Mop 35151 is a 3-in-1 wet-dry vacuum, mop, and steam cleaner designed to clean and sanitize sealed hard floors with one machine. It uses PowerFresh sanitizing formula and hot steam to remove sticky messes, dirt, and grime, while killing up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria without harsh chemicals. The multi-surface brush roll handles wet spills and dry debris at the same time, saving time by combining vacuuming and steam mopping in one pass. Its dual-tank system keeps clean water and sanitizing solutions separate from dirty water for more hygienic cleaning. The machine's swivel steering and lightweight design help it maneuver easily around furniture and into tight spaces. In real-life use, it performs smoothly on tile, laminate, hardwood, and sealed stone floors, reducing the need for separate tools. Compared with traditional steam mops, the Crosswave's vacuuming plus sanitizing steam function provides deeper overall cleaning. Overall, it's a versatile floor cleaner that's especially useful for homes with pets, kids, or frequent messes. Pros: 3-in-1 vacuum plus mop plus steam sanitizing, dual tank system for cleaner results, effective on wet and dry messes. Cons: larger footprint than simple steam mops, pricier than basic models, needs frequent emptying on heavy use. On number 6 is the Euroflex Vapor Plus Steam Mop 18-piece set, is a high-end steam cleaning system built for thorough floor care and whole home sanitation. It reaches steam temperatures up to 295 F and 50 psi pressure, which helps cut through tough dirt, grease, and grime, while killing up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including hard-to-remove pathogens like H1N1. Its 18-piece precision floor care kit includes a range of specialized attachments and microfiber pads, allowing it to clean sealed hard floors, grout lines, upholstery, glass, and even bathroom fixtures with professional-level results. In real-life use, the steam output is strong and consistent, and the precision tools make detailed cleaning easier than with basic mop-only models. Compared with standard steam mops, the Vapor Plus offers greater steam pressure, more accessories, and a broader cleaning capability that extends beyond floors to full-room steaming tasks. Controls are intuitive, and the multi-surface pads help lift stubborn dirt without harsh chemicals. Backed by a 5-year warranty and strong Consumer Reports recommendations, it feels like a long-term investment for homes that require deep, frequent cleaning. While it costs more upfront than simple steam mops, the extra tools and performance can justify the price for busy households, pet owners, or anyone wanting a versatile steam system. Pros: high heat and steam pressure for powerful cleaning, extensive 18-piece accessory kit, kills 99.9% of germs, including tough viruses. Cons: higher price than basic steam mops. Larger set can feel bulky to store. Stronger steam may not be ideal for delicate surfaces.